All right, today I have a Dodge Challenger. It says oil changes required right there. Well, oil changes required. So I have a Dodge Challenger, and I'm going to show you how to add windshield washer fluid to this specific Dodge Challenger. Occasionally you'll have to replace the windshield washer fluid because either it runs dry or you've just used too much of it, whatnot, and you need to keep your windshield clean. But either way, whatever your story is, I'm going to show you how to add it. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way along the duration of the video, can you please give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Now with that being said, let's go ahead and add windshield washer fluid. As you can see right here, I have some windshield washer fluid. I'm going to go ahead and show you. And it's spraying on there, but I want to top it off. A lot of times you just want to top it up, fill it up, okay? So with that being said, in order to top it off, you'll have to go ahead and open the hood. And you open the hood up by going down. And you see this lever right here. The first thing I'm going to do actually is make sure it's in park so it doesn't roll away, and turn the engine off. Now with all that done and said, I'm going to come right here. I'm going to open the hood. I'm going to pop that like that. And so once you heard that pop, you're going to walk around to the front of the vehicle. And you get to the front of the vehicle. There's a safety latch underneath it. And so what happens is, in order to top off the windshield washer fluid, you have to open up the hood. There's a safety latch. So the safety latch is at the bottom on this vehicle. So I'm going to take my fingers, slide inside, curve it a little bit like that, and then go like that for the safety. So I'm going to put my fingers in here, find the safety latch, push it to the left, and raise it. Now be careful because it can be hot. This is the safety latch. I put it in, did like that. And so once you have it open, you're going to look for something that looks like this. This symbol right here is a universal symbol for windshield washer fluid. So you just go ahead and open this up and top it off with the recommended windshield washer fluid for your vehicle. And so top it off and then close this. Don't spill it all outside of the container. And then there you have it. Once you've done that, you have officially added windshield washer fluid to your vehicle. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.